bed is done. I'm gonna shut the tailgate here. So I don't know about y'all, but I appreciate you so very much for watching. I know no way. Oh yeah, hold on. What in the world? What is that? Did somebody paint the bumper of Puddin? Uh-oh. All right, y'all, that's a little tease. To be continued. Of YouTube, when you hit that subscribe button, it is absolutely free to use, but it immensely blesses me. All right, I want to welcome you again today to another awesome episode of Puddin. In the last episode, you probably already saw the bed has been completed, and today I'm going to finish the tease of what I showed you the last time. Yeah, I know some may not like it. But I think I'm going to spray the bumpers white. This bumper, and of course, this bumper here. Originally they were white. I'm probably also going to spray paint these white and get that completed, I think. But I know I'm gonna hit this white. I'm gonna take the bumpers off. This part here, I will replace the bumpers. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna go back and scuff them up and kind of give them an old look, but I know I'm gonna paint them. All right, is this popular demand? Probably not. But once again, Ole Puddin is one that I'm gonna be driving around. I've got some plans, so don't judge me just yet. How about you wait until it's complete, and then after the truck is completed, then tell me what you think. Let's go from there. That's what I'm gonna do. I may end up not liking it. I may end up agreeing with some of you that don't like it, but I've already started it now, so we might as well finish it. All right, if you see here, I have taped off some of the essential things. I'm going to go through and tape off around in this area of the truck because I want to make sure I don't get any white paint on the truck. And then I'm going to go through and hit this probably with the black primer first, and then after the black rust stop first, and then I'm going to go over it with white paint. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to paint this area white, and this top here is actually going to be painted black with a bed liner, and this is going to be painted black with a bed liner. So that's the plan. All right, y'all, that's a black bumper right there. Now, of course, all I have done is sprayed the rust reformer on it. It's black. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna start with the white, and then I'm gonna take the white off and come back where I want it black. So that's the plan now. All right, now I'm coming in with the white paint. Yeah, that was not good. right, y'all, now that's a white bumper. Stands out like a sore thumb against it. But it's not done. Don't give up on me. All right, y'all. Here's the old man. Stopped by to tell me about some stuff. There's Grammy. That's my mama over there, lounging in a chair. All right, let's see. Hopefully it does not pull the paint off. I know I'm gonna probably have to do some touch up. But, oh yeah, look at there. Paint doesn't seem to do everything I was wanting it to do. Guess it did better than I deserved, maybe. Oh yeah. Yeah, it boogered up.
Alright, people, email him and tell him he needs to paint that thing.
Did it wrong already. Yeah, I had a guy told me last night. I looked and there was a comment that what was it? Said I come back in and touch the white up. See, what did the comment say? The comment told me that it was a lie that that car had been running because it had shiny wheels on it. Those shiny wheels you put on it to move it over there, right?
What shiny wheel?
On the Fairlane.
Oh yeah, I bought them. I had to buy them because when I bought the car, they was all rusted on the bottom.
All right.
I had to buy a used set of rims from a Fairlane, and I painted them black and had some used tires put on them 15 years ago.
Before they ran. So them are 15-year-old shiny. Yeah. So all right, y'all, I've got to touch up. Got a lot to touch up with some white paint there. So that's gonna be what the bumper and everything looks like, and I'm gonna scuff up some spots. So that's the start. All right, y'all, I don't plan on being the one that takes decent, good-looking paint and aging it, but hey, maybe that's who I'm becoming, because what do you think now? Yeah, now it's got layers of paint on it, but if you look at it, it still looks aged. So, yeah, the truck is dirty, and the white bumper still stands out. Not really my intention. I just wanted to get some paint on it. Wanted to spray the bed liner on the black, which I did. So you see the black here, but the white has this brown on it. Painted it white, and then I sprayed it with a little bit of brown. May go over it again with a little bit more brown. But hey, I think it's perfect. Just maybe not just like I wanted, but it's good enough. Now I'm not. All right, finished product. Some may ask why in the world would you actually take a rusty bumper and paint it and make it rusty again, rusty looking again? But the issue is the rust is stopped on the outside. Of course, now it has layers of paint on the outside that hopefully will stop the rust from going any further. Of course, the top of the bed has the bed liner on it, which is good for me. Am I gonna do the front? I don't know. I'm pondering doing the front or not. All right, now I'm gonna pull our engineered tips off. This one was already loose. I'm gonna actually get them to where they stay in. I should weld these, I know, but I think I'm gonna cut the tailpipe off where it is at a better angle or the right angle as the other side, so I can set the tips in the way I want. There's the tailpipe that's cut off a little bit inside. There's a tailpipe that is not. So I'm gonna cut that tailpipe off to match this tailpipe so that we can get the tips in the way that we want them. All right, now I'm taking the reciprocating saw. I don't know if it's gonna cut it, and gonna try to cut it in a similar place as the other. Oh, come on, battery. Oh, I love it. All right, I have 2 DeWalt batteries and both of them are dead. So I'm gonna let the batteries charge up and we're gonna come back and do this again. Did not want to use the cutting blade, but I am. Hopefully it can get to where I want it to be on both sides. But just for time's sake, I'm gonna cut it with this cutting wheel and we'll hopefully be able to make a straight cut. When all else fails, go old school. Look at old school not being able to work. Woo! It's boogered up a little bit. If you see there, the top, so I'm going to try to clean that up as much as I can. I'll go through and get the burrs off of that, but not too bad of a cut. Alright y'all, this is a precise measuring tool. You need this measuring tool always. Eyeballing it. Good enough. For pudding. Alright, going back to the drill bit. Through. All right, self-tapper. All right, in and in. So, all right, now we want to make sure the angle is right. To be honest with you, that looks a lot better. Oh yeah. The kicker is it's not going anywhere. We do know that. Why? Well, it's not going anywhere because it's screwed into the tailpipe now. All right, y'all, let's get into Ole Puddin and turn the key. Give it a little bit of gas. Woo! Doesn't take much to get this old girl running, but I want you to hear it from the back. Woo! Boy, this thing's ready to go. Is it ready to go? Let's see. Woo, boy, she's ready to go. I was hoping it'd squall a tire, but it didn't do that. Hey y'all, I appreciate you so very much for watching so far. We have enjoyed Puddin, and we've got a lot of work to do to her. Gonna be working on the interior before too much longer. But we thank you so very much for watching, and as always, we know no way of closing out these videos and saying deuces. May God bless.